For your safety, your hand luggage should be placed in a compartment under the seat in front of you. Put the seat upright, fasten your seat belts to your tray table, and please keep your window shades fully open. Please switch off all portable electronic devices, especially your mobile phone, as it will interfere with navigational equipment on board. The usage of mobile phone is not allowed during takeoff, landing, and taxiing until the fasten seatbelt and above you has been switched off, and smoking is not permitted on all AirAsia flights. Thank you. Tuan-tuan puan-puan, untuk keselamatan kita bersama, sila pastikan semua telefon bimbit anda telah pun dipadamkan dengan sepenuhnya sekarang. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is forbidden anywhere on the aircraft, including the toilet. Smoking in the toilets will trigger an alarm and may result in a fine. Thank you for your cooperation.
上满的，女士们、先生们，我们需要
To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at KLIA 2. For your safety, please remain seated and usage of mobile phone is not allowed until seatbelt sign is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. Thank you for flying with AirAsia and have a pleasant evening.